Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been wanting to make this video for a while. So this video is pretty much what's inside my bag slash backpack, purse, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. Here's the bag. What I love about this bag, you guys, is that it has several compartments. It has side pockets on the side, and it has a zipper on the front where you can put your stuff. This one is from Loungefly. It is a Disney Parks Loungefly backpack. So freaking cute, so adorable. My honey got it for me. Look at the design in the back and in the front. It's pretty much the same thing. So let's go ahead and check it out what's inside. So the first thing is this perfume. This one is from, I want to say Walgreens or CVS, but I think it's from Walgreens. This is the Ariana Grande Cloud, and it smells so freaking good. So that's pretty much it. Okay, another thing that I have, a scrunchie. We always need a scrunchie wherever we go. So I have a scrunchie. Another thing that I have is this one right here, this cream from Avon that my mom gave me for, this one is a extremely dry hands. I really don't have extremely dry hands, but this one really works, you guys. If you have crusty elbows or whatever you want to call it, girl, this is your go-to. So this one's really good. It does have a thick, it feels thick, but it's really good. So yeah, I have that one. I have this other one that I recently had posted it on my other video. This one's Dove. This one smells good. I like it because it's not as thick as this one, but I like that it has a scent, so it's really good. This one doesn't have a scent at all. So yeah, and since this one's already finishing, that's why I purchased this one. Another thing that I have is antibacterial wipes. Right now, because of the whole COVID and everything's going on, you kind of want to wipe some of the stuff, or for your hands or whatnot. I usually do this whenever I get out of the store or whatnot, and before I touch the windshield, or you know what I mean, just to be safety, just to be safe. Okay, so another thing that I have is this one right here. This is another body spray. This one is from Victoria's Secret. And it's called the Dream Angel. You guys, at work, I always get compliments. Hi, you smell so good. What is it? Girl, it is a $15 spray. Yeah, $15 spray from Victoria's Secret. Dream Angel. Smells so good as well. So I have that. Another thing that I have is this one right here. This is a battery. So this one you guys can find it at Walmart in the check stand. It's literally like $9-10. So if your phone's dying, girl, you got the backup. Like for example, right now my phone is 17%. It's not gonna show, but it's 17%. So this one, I'll just get my wire and just go ahead and charge it up. So this one really comes in handy if for whatever reason you want to, I'm literally leaning on my bag. So this one really comes in handy whenever your phone is dying. So another thing that I have, well, I currently have this one, but I'll eventually put it on the little side. It's a keychain that my suegro, what is it called? Suegro, what is it? My father-in-law got me because he went to Vegas, so he got me this. Oh, and this shirt too. I think I had announced it in the previous video, so I'm just making another video within the video, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, so another thing, you guys, I have this really cute, so freaking adorable mare. This is the Paleta Payaso. If you guys know this is a Mexican candy. It's called Paleta Payaso, and it is literally the same thing. So freaking cute, and it's a mare. How freaking adorable. It needs a little bit cleaning, but yeah, so freaking adorable. This one I got it from Me Vale Creations. She sells beautiful stuff, handmade, whatnot. Really really recommend her website. She has a lot of really cute stuff, and this is one of the things that I had purchased from her. I think I've had this mirror for like 2 years, I want to say. So freaking cute. Can you tell that I need to wash? Anyways, so another thing that I have, obviously everyone needs this in their this is another thing that I have, you guys. This is one of the pens. I usually always carry all my pens, but this time I just have one pen. So a pen always comes in handy. Another thing, this is how dirty my sisters. Okay, guys. So another thing that I have is this spray, deodorant spray. It is so good. I seriously don't put this, like, I put this every 2 days because it literally lasts like 2 days. But I always put every day, right? But it is so good. It smells so good. Girl, for your pits, like, you know what I'm saying? For your pits. So that's another thing. Obviously, you don't put it on the outside, you put it on the inside. But I wanted to put it. My mom's just staring at me right now, and I feel like she's judging me. I don't know, you guys. Okay, so another thing that I have on my backpack, you guys, there's a lot of stuff can fit in these bags. I'm not even kidding. Another thing is this one right here. This one was a gift from my friend Claudia. Claudia, thank you, girly. Let me go ahead and zoom it in. It is a Mickey and Minnie bag. So freaking cute. So freaking cute, as you guys can see. And here I carry my pads, my tampons when Mother Nature comes. So Mother Nature is currently in the neighborhood, so that's why I have this one right here. So yeah, that's just pretty much it. Hey. Okay, so another thing that I have is my no, I'm just making a video for you. It is this one. It's a Beauty and the Beast keychain lanyard. So freaking cute. I have my keys here. This one, my old friend Rosie gave it to me. So freaking adorable as well. Let me go ahead and zoom it in. I've had this one for a couple years already. I love it. So, and it matches really cute with a lanyard. Here, I really don't ever put anything here on the lanyard because this one, I usually have it inside. But it is so freaking cute. And then, look at the design. So freaking cute. So that's just pretty much it. I don't have nothing else. This is just mainly, really? So my nephew, guys, my nephew, seriously, with his boogers. So this is just a top that it's not important. So that's just pretty much it, you guys, what I have on the outside. I love it, the design. Let me go ahead and zoom it in. The design on the backpack, it is so freaking adorable. Hold on. Let me zoom it in if you guys can see it. Give me a sec, give me a sec. I don't know if you guys can tell. So that's just pretty much it from the inside. That's all I have. Now let's go ahead and go to the one on the outside. So over here I have my little wallet. So freaking adorable. How cute is this? So I have this one. It is a Stitch mini wallet. It's a zipper as well, and I mainly have my cards or whatnot, and that's just pretty much it. It has like a little design on the inside, but you can't really tell. But that's where I usually have my stuff. That one smells really good. So I have this. Another thing that I have is for my oily forehead. This is a Clean and Clear oil absorbing sheets. So freaking good, so freaking good. I recommend it. I have that as well. Another thing is I have a napkin. So random. Another thing that I have is an Avon lip balm. So freaking cute. And this one is in the flavor strawberry. This is an Avon product. Another thing that I have is the charger. This is the charger for the battery, the backup battery. Another thing that I have is these. This is the Wet n Wild brow, so my brows can be like on fleek or whatnot. This one right here. I also have the duo. I have the duo glue. Let me go ahead and focus it. This is a really good lash glue. Really recommend it. Another thing that I have two Advil containers whenever your head hurts. I think on one of them I have Advil, and on the other one I have ibuprofen. Oh no, I don't. But I have these two for backup. And the last thing is I have tweezers whenever I need tweezers to put my lashes on. So,
or
yeah.
to put your nose hairs.
Yeah, right. So that's just pretty much it for the front zipper, you guys. Now on the sides, on this side, I have my little AirPods. This is what I have on this side. Really cute case or whatnot. And then that's just pretty much it. And then on the other side, I have a hand sanitizer, which I kind of need to restock. It is the cucumber melon. Smells so freaking good. But that is just pretty much it, you guys, for this video. This is what I usually carry on a daily basis. But everyone's judging me because I'm taking forever. So it's just pretty much it, you guys. This is what I usually always carry inside my backpack all the time, most of the time. But that's just pretty much it. Hopefully you guys like this video, and if you guys didn't, I'm sorry about that. But anyways, but yeah, that was just pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.